Hi friends, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to unpin someone on Snapchat app. So without wasting the time, let's move on to the video. Make sure to update and open your Snapchat app and click here chat icon. So you can see I pinned 2 conversation here. So it's very easy to unpin them. Just simply click and hold on the name of your friend and go to chat setting, and here you can see the option unpin conversation. Click on this and your chat has been unpinned. So repeat the step again. And I unpin all conversation here. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comment section. Thanks for watching.